Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Google Chrome's language. Before we starting, subscribe, like and share. Open Google Chrome. When you open Google Chrome, click on these three dots and then look for settings, click on, and then look for language. There is, click on. From there you can add language. How can we add language? Click on add language and then you can search there which language you want, or you can browse from there which language you want. Just click on and then click add. When you click add and you want to permanently change the Google Chrome's language, how can we do this? Click on these three dots. When you click and then click on display Chrome in this language, check this box and relaunch Google Chrome. This will automatically open Google Chrome. When it opened, the language of the Google Chrome will change. Thanks for watching.